We're unboxing the OPPO Reno5 Pro. And good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Last week, before the new year ended, I unboxed the OPPO Reno5. This time around, I have a first look at the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G, the international version. So today, OPPO is unveiling what this phone looks like, and I wanted to share this with you guys in the flesh. I'm not gonna be talking about features or specs or anything like that, but guys, I felt like you needed to see this for yourself as soon as possible. So here we go. The OPPO Reno Pro 5G. It comes in similar packaging to the OPPO Reno5, all new and all blue, well, teal, turquoise, whatever this is, I like it. The back tells me that what I got was a galactic silver color. Let's open this up. Again, that's very subtle OPPO branding. Here we have SIM tray, warranty card. We also have a jelly case. The phone is here, but we're gonna save the best for last. What else is in here? USB-C charging cord, earphones, and this is interesting. This is a USB-C as well. And finally, the Super VOOC charger. Let's get to the phone. Oh my gosh, it's the same pretty color we saw on the Reno5. Let's take this plastic off so we can better appreciate. Oh my gosh, you guys, another beautiful phone. Are you seeing this? That again is very matte. No fingerprints. Oh my gosh, it's a fairy phone. Real quickly, this is the Reno5 on the right. Best color. Like, it's also not necessarily the color too. Like I said, I've seen Asian phones, I've seen phones that shift color, but these new Reno phones really just look like they have a gazillion little glitters on there. I love this. I did this for the Reno5, so of course I'm doing this for the Reno5 Pro. Quick montage to appreciate all this prettiness. On to the other things on this phone, like those 4 cameras on the back, teeny tiny bump right there. This is a very sleek, slim phone. The Reno4 Pro was my favorite phone to hold last year because it was so sleek and light, and this phone looks like it's following in its footsteps. On the right, that is a power button. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port, and the SIM tray. On the left, we're seeing 2 volume buttons. Ooh, that's a nice surprise. Top of this phone has a special little message for us. It says designed for Reno. That's a cute little detail right there. And yeah, as you may have noticed, that is a curved screen. Probably one of the main differences it has with the Reno5. Busting it out real quick again, this is the Reno5 Pro and this is the Reno5. As you can see, very identical. On the back, both have curved backs, but then the Reno5 Pro has a curved screen and the Reno5 does not. Feels like the Reno5 is also a little bit thicker than the Reno5 Pro. Right, I've powered the phone up and this is what it looks like. I mean, yeah. And also, look at that screen. Look at that screen. Right, time for another montage. very first look at the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G. Yes, you guessed it, I love how pretty this looks. I love the color, I love the feel. Just like the OPPO Reno4 Pro, I love how thin this is. It's a very sleek, light phone. Side by side with the Reno4 Pro, it's almost the same design, except of course at the bottom we see that the Reno5 Pro doesn't have the audio jack anymore, and instead up top we see the really nice design by Reno branding. Button placements are the same. We have the same curved display, thickness, feel, all the same, except the cameras on the back sport a slightly different look. Well, there still are 4 cameras on both phones. I've said this in my Reno4 Pro video. Okay, I don't know how to explain this, but this phone feels extremely good in hand. It's light, but it doesn't feel like it's cheap. Those edges makes it feel like it's such a sleek phone. If you notice, that's a waterfall display, and even the back panel curves towards that main frame, and that sort of makes the phone feel really slim. And that matte texture just makes it feel way more premium. I love the Reno4 Pro, except I wish it came in a different color. Personally, I've not been a fan of these very blah colors. And now, I love it when I finally get the stuff I want in phones. Right, before you guys comment about how I never talked about this phone's specs, well, I will have another video on the OPPO Reno5 Pro on the 18th. I'll be talking a little bit about the insides of this phone and probably a vlog test. If you want to be seeing that type of content, please make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this whole new look on the Reno series. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!